well-known conspiracy nutcase have revealed sensible information on YouTube. The well-known flat earth fool Level Earth Observer have published a new video on YouTube and revealed really sensitive information. Let's have a look at it.
Check this out, being pushed by the British government.
That on the 23rd of April, everybody in the country will receive one of these alerts. And the idea is that by having everyone in the country receive it, they also have to acknowledge it as well. And that will be, they won't be able to continue using their phone unless they acknowledge it. And that's going to be on the 23rd of April.
All right, so if I don't acknowledge the fear-mongering text being pushed by the government, I will no longer be able to use my phone. Hang on a minute. I think I'm going to pass on your silly narrative. So what I'll do, I'll come down to my settings, I'll come to notifications, I'll scroll down to advanced settings, I'll scroll down again from advanced settings to wireless emergency alerts, which I had no idea was there. We come in wireless alert into wireless emergency alerts, and we've got allow alerts, extreme alerts, severe alerts. I think I'll turn all that tosh off, and you can stick your emergency text where the sun doesn't shine, thinking that I'm going to entertain your silly fear-mongering propaganda for fear of losing me phone. No, 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 no. You'll be shut out. I'll continue to use my phone to bash the mainstream narrative day in, day out.
The evil government want to send Leo emergency alerts and block his phone. Perhaps they want to spy on Leo. Evil government. Let's listen to informative video from the UK government about this subject.
You won't always be aware of dangers as they happen. That's why there's now a way to warn you when there's a danger to your life, health, or property in the area you're located. An emergency alert sends an urgent and distinctive siren-like sound to your mobile phone. It looks like this and sounds like this, appearing on your screen until you acknowledge it. If you receive an emergency alert, you should stop what you're doing, read the alert if it's safe to do so, and do what it says. Emergency alerts are trusted. They will only ever be sent by the emergency services or the government. They send the same message to all compatible phones within an area of risk, so they don't use your phone number, collect data, or track your movements. You don't need to register or download an app, and they're completely free to receive. The technology has already been used successfully in many other countries, helping to save lives from floods, acts of terrorism, and fires. In future, emergency alerts could help save lives from threats in the UK. Please make sure you keep your device software up to date so that in the unlikely event you need to receive one, you're ready to act. All emergency alerts will also be listed on gov.uk/alerts, so you can easily check that it's genuine. Emergency alerts, our way to warn you when lives are in danger.
What is Level Earth Observer afraid of? This system is to warn people. It's not a system to control people. It's to warn you against danger. Dangerous weather, accidents, pollution that can kill you, terrorist attacks, war. But of course, that the government want to warn you against dangerous things is an evil thing to do, oh dear. And the real reason for them to warn you is to control you, to know where you are. Oh dear, how stupid can you be, Leo? If the government of some mysterious reason wants to spy on you, Leo, there are more effective and easy ways to do it than use the emergency alert system. They can watch you when you're watching your favorite YouTuber and using the IP address find your location. But you can mask your IP address, but there are more ways they can do it. If they know your phone number, they can find you as soon as you put on your phone. You don't need to use it. It's only have to be connected to a cell tower. If you're only connected to one, it's hard to pinpoint your location. But if you're connected to several, it gets easier. And when you're moving, they can see how you move. So Leo, don't use your phone. It seems like Leo thinks that his video reveals some secrets, because his video will only be up for 12 hours, he tells us in his comment section. Why would the UK government be interested in spying on a tower crane operator from UK? Who spends his days making silly YouTube videos about his fairy tales regarding space travels and the shape of the Earth. I'm convinced that the government's concern about you, Leo, is that you pay your tax and that you drive on the wrong side of the road as the rest of the people in UK. Thank you everyone helping Ukraine. I'm close to have raised enough money to be able to order one more drone and send it to Ukraine. If you want to help, please use PayPal, link in the description. Every amount counts. That was all I had for you this time. It was a shorter video and a quite different topic than my normal topics. Hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. See you soon, bye.